Do you want to make talking avatar like this but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I believe you are doing very well. In this video you will learn how to create free talking avatar. Making talking avatar is very simple. We will use 3 simple tools to create talking avatar. So let's start. First of all, you have to log in into your Leonardo AI image generator, and then you have to go to settings and use legacy and then enemy, and after that you can select the image resolution. For YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, I have selected YouTube. Then you have to enter a very good prompt to generate your image. I have applied simple prompt, but you can generate a good prompt from ChatGPT as well. Here you can see a lot of images, but I like this image. This image is perfect, but I want to remove left side object, and Leonardo AI provides amazing tool to remove object from the images. So I am removing the left side object, and let's see how our image will look after removing the object. We have to wait for a while, and after that we will get the image. So the image has been generated. Leonardo AI replaced left side object with a light, and this looks very good. This image is perfect. Now we will download the image. Here we go. And the next tool we will use is clean up pictures. Clean up pictures is used to remove objects from the pictures for free, but the quality will be SD, and I think SD quality is also very fine to use. And here we go. Now I will use the brush and apply on the lips of our character, and in few moments the lips will be erased, and then we will go for our next step. So lips has been removed. Now I will download the image. So 2 steps has been done. Now we'll go to the third step, and the third step is to download free talking mouth green screen, and you can get it from the YouTube free of cost. Just you have to search free talking green screen in the YouTube, and you will get the video and you can download it. I have already downloaded it. Now we will use the third tool, which is CapCut video editor. Now I am in CapCut video editor. I am porting video and green screen. Here we go. First you have to insert the image, and you can maintain the length of the image according to your need, and I will just do it right there. And then you have to select the green screen and insert the green screen, and here we go. And now we will use chroma key from the editor to remove green background from the talking mouth, and here we go. And now you can see the color has been removed, and we will adjust the mouth to our talking avatar, and here we go. You can adjust the mouth the way you want. This looks good. Let's play the video. I think we can adjust a bit more, and this looks very well. So this is a preview of talking avatar we just created, and it's looked very good. So this is how you can create free talking avatar character for your YouTube video, TikTok video or Instagram video. If you enjoyed this video and learned from it, please like the video, comment your thoughts and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Take care. Bye bye.